It's time for our warm-up for today's workout. For our warm-up, we're going to learn how to play 10 Frame Mania. So we're going to click play and we're going to start with level 1, Sapphire Spiral. Now in 10 Frame Mania, they're going to send us these numbers and we want to make those bubbles disappear before they make it all the way through the maze. How we make them disappear is we show that number on this 10 frame here. So the red bubble has a 5 in it. So I'm going to tap my 10 frame 5 times and that should pop that bubble. And then it turns our next number red. So now we want to pop that 2 bubble and then a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 2, and then a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty easy. Now we've unlocked the fill 5 key. What that's going to do for us is we can press this key and it's going to fill all 5 of those squares automatically. Watch what it does. So fast. Now a 4 is next. Now I could tap my 10 frame 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, or here's a trick. Fill it 5, and then I'm going to tap just one of those. That'll make it disappear. And I've got 4. 1's the next number, and then 2, and then a 5, a 3. We're cruising now. I'm going to do my 4 trick. Fill 5 minus 1 pops the 4. Fill 5, and then another 4 trick. Fill 5 minus 1. We've made it to round 3. The bubbles should speed up a little bit now, so we're going to try to do this as fast as we can. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5. 1. Those numbers barely have a chance. 5. 3. 2. Another 5. 2. Now for 3, I could, if I wanted to, fill 5 and then take away 2 snowmen. That's kind of fun. And we've done it! Our level is complete. Now you try.